Hey there, friend. Today we're diving into something that could literally save you time, money, and stress down the road. The Lamtto C310 dual dash cam. Now, this little gadget records in full 1080p HD from both the front and inside of your car. It includes a 64GB SD card right in the box and even works in low light thanks to the infrared night vision. I've been testing it out in real-world driving conditions, and trust me, the footage surprised me in a good way. Whether you're a rideshare driver, commuter, or just someone who wants peace of mind on the road, this compact dual dash cam might be your new favorite co-pilot. Let's unbox it, test the video quality, and see if it actually delivers what it promises. Let's roll. Thank you very much, Lamtto, for sending over the C310 dash cam. This one, I'm really excited to get into this box. I've wanted a dash cam for a long time. I know there's a ton of different options out there. This is a bit of a budget-friendly option, but it's got a pretty darn good product, feature list, and I think it should be nice to see what comes in the box. All right, we got two compartments. Let's take a look at the small one first. Very unassuming little box here. How do I open that? There we go. There we go. Okay. All right. What's in the box? Okay. All right. There's the first section. Okay. Oh, this must be the main front camera. Okay. All right. This one, I know it twists around. I was looking at the product page. I don't know if I'm supposed to do that, but it can look back at you like, like a taxi camera kind of thing. And we've got this here. Hopefully there's some like cables or something in here. Oh yeah, lots of stuff. What's this? Okay, okay, what do we got? I think this is a base, maybe to mount it on the dash or the window. Yeah, I think that's for a window. I'll keep the plastic on so it stays nice and sticky. Okay, a little clip, very straightforward. I think you just kind of mount it on there and clip it on. That looks good. Okay, as you would expect for a vehicle device, you got the cigarette lighter, and that goes to USB-C. This looks like a long, long cable. I will be using this cable to start, and depending on how I like it, then I will, switch over to a more permanent mounting solution, kind of running the wires in the car. And here's another, probably for the rear or front, two different kinds of mounts here, which is cool. And then inside here, what is this? Interesting. Okay. Oh, I don't want to lose anything. These have little adhesives. I think this is for cable management. Those look like cable management clips, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, there's four of those. This is the kind of tool you'd use to open like an iPhone. Okay, all right. We'll see what that's all about. And then we've got a USB-A to USB-C cable. And then there's a little bit of documentation. Oh boy, okay. Quite a big manual. Okay, comes with quite a bit in the box. I'm excited to give it a test and to see what it's all about. Okay, and just to speak quickly on the design and the build quality of the main device here. As you can see, very simple design with the mounting clip. You just put it in and it kind of slides and locks in. I think you could use either one. I believe this is more for the dash and this is sort of for the windshield. The cigarette lighter and the cables all seem sort of standard, decent quality. They've got a nice sort of weight and, thickness to them. The device itself is quite lightweight. It doesn't have a lot of heft to it. I am impressed to see that it does come with a 64GB memory card. Now, it looks fairly generic, but I would imagine it'll get the job done. I do live in a cold climate here in Canada, so it should be interesting to see how this holds up in the winter. I won't be able to test that for a few months, thankfully, because it's currently July when I'm filming this. And then we've got the little small screen. We'll get that tested in the vehicle. It's got 5 buttons, little clicky buttons underneath. This looks like a speaker or some sort of a microphone. We've got the USB plug, so it probably plugs in like that. And then your cameras, this one rotates so that it can watch you or your passengers. Overall, pretty compact, straightforward, and I'd say a quite pleasing design. Okay, that's good. Looking nice and secure. Then got the camera. It's got this little clip, clips right in here. Clips in. Okay, that's pretty good. Got a lot of movement. I like that. Does that tighten? Yes, it does. That's good. Now, just plug the USB into the top here, and then I'll cable manage it in a minute. There, we've got our first footage. Okay, it's actually really good. And it does come with these little cable management clips, which I'm probably going to use one pretty quickly. Just clip it in here. I think I have better ones in the house, honestly. Put this cable in the little clip and clip it up there. Yeah, I'll keep it out of the way, and then we're going to run it along the headliner kind of thing. So this isn't even plugged in, is it? Or is it plugged in? Yeah, it's plugged in. Okay. Now I've got the lens cover still on it, so we're not getting proper quality. Where's the... There we go. I mean, that looks already pretty sweet. A little picture in picture, and it shows me that it's recording, and I know that screen turns off. You can see it's recording right there. Okay. Menu, loop recording, screensaver. Turns off, turns on. It's recording. And then it's supposed to automatically... Perfect. And the battery, of course, will charge once you get it on. And then we turn the car on, and it turns right on. That's actually pretty cool. And it's recording immediately. Okay, that's pretty sweet. That's pretty super easy to install. Literally just suction cup it. And then it does come with the other adhesive clip, which doesn't have as much rotation and ability to control. But if you want a little more streamlined, simple little clip, maybe if you wanted to put it on the dash, something like that, you could use that as well, which does the job. You know, it twists, it turns, it locks. But so far, so good.
So, what do you think? The Lamtto C310 dash cam really impressed me with its compact build, sharp footage, and easy setup. Plus, getting that 64 gig SD card included, I think that's a real win. If you're looking for a dual camera dash setup that captures your drive and what's happening inside the vehicle, this one checks a lot of boxes. I'll have links down below so you can check the current pricing or learn more. If this video helped you out, please don't forget to subscribe. If you love weekly tech videos and hands-on reviews like this one, we've got more real-world tests coming every single week. Until next time, thank you so much for watching.